Welcome to EarnZoTech. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use Google Drive step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to upload files, create documents, organize folders, share with others, and even use hidden features. So let's get started. Google Drive is a cloud storage service from Google. It lets you save files online instead of just your computer, access them anywhere, phone, tablet, or computer, share documents with others instantly, work together on files in real time, and the best part? You get 15 GB of free storage with a Google account. Step 1. Open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Step 2. Sign in with your Gmail account. Once inside, you'll see the menu bar on the left to create files and folders, the main workspace where all your files are shown, the search bar at the top for quick file searches. Uploading is simple. Option 1, click plus new, file upload or folder upload. Option 2, drag and drop any file directly into Google Drive. This works for documents, images, videos, PDFs, and more. Google Drive connects to Google's free office tools. Google Docs like Microsoft Word, Google Sheets like Excel, Google Slides like PowerPoint. To create one, click plus new, Google Docs/Sheets/Slides. All changes are saved automatically in real time. No need to press save. You can also enable offline mode to edit without internet. If you have many files, keep them organized. Create folders, right-click, new folder. Rename files for easy searching. Color code folders to group projects. Star important files to access quickly in the starred tab. One of Drive's most powerful features is sharing. Right-click a file, select Share. You can add someone's email or copy the link and send it. Permissions include: Viewer, can only see; Commenter, can add notes; Editor, full access. When multiple people edit a doc, you'll see changes live. Perfect for teamwork. If your drive is crowded, use the search bar. You can filter by file type, docs, sheets, images, PDFs. Owner, you or someone else. Date modified. This makes finding files super fast. Download the Google Drive app on Android or iPhone. With it, you can upload photos instantly, share files directly from your phone, even scan documents using your camera. Some handy tips: right-click any file for quick actions. Use version history in Google Docs to see old edits. Save Gmail attachments directly to Drive. Install Google Drive for PC Mac to sync files automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to use Google Drive as a beginner, from uploading and organizing files to sharing and collaborating. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe to Ernzo Tech, and turn on the bell for more tech tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.